24, 25 cocoa. Ebe services are 23, 24 cocoa you know. Cocoa Ekuafo no. And a cocoa board. It lose $4,000.
Okay.
On every single ton. A bean seed in the history of Ghana, first of all, in terms of volumes. Because 2017, new government there was a lot of noise about rollover by Dr. Opuni administration. What was that rollover? 50,000. Price difference was under $200. But this one, 333,767 tons of contracts that they couldn't supply at 2,600. I had the 6,600 cocoa and I had the air supplies our contract. So the difference is $4,000 on every ton.
Wow. As
we speak, your supply more 210,000 tons, which translates into $840 million. So any sika cocoa Ekuafo no any Ghana cocoa board yashri. As a result of that,